My name is Jared Zuckerman, and I am at the Bedford in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. The Bedford's mac and cheese burger is 2 incredibly fried mac and cheese buns smothered with chipotle aioli sauce and a burger. So we have a specific way we measure how thick it is because we want to make sure when you bite into it, it is creamy and soft and gooey. And we came out with the perfect formula of how to make the mac and cheese so it's thick enough, it holds together, it's crispy on the outside with the panko breadcrumbs and the right seasoning, and it doesn't fall apart or disintegrate in the fryer. So now we have the perfect thickness to these buns. So we know when you bite into it, it is going to be hot, it is going to be cheesy, it is going to be gooey. So you actually have this hamburger sandwich in 2 fried mac and cheese buns. It is so gooey and so cheesy and so tasty, and it is honestly the perfect marriage that brings everything together.